Good morning, students. Last week we have given you a worksheet to solve the numericals of reflection and refraction. Some of the numericals are having some difficulties, and some of the students have approached me to discuss their doubts. So, I am trying to solve the difficult questions from that worksheet. So in that case, we are starting from question number 16, and in this question, an object is kept and in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter, and the image formed is 3 times the object. Calculate the two possible object distances from the mirror. In this case, we already known that in case of concave, only two positions are there in which we can have a larger image. It means if the object is having 3 times larger object, it may have two different object distances. We have to calculate one case in which it is having a virtual image, and second case it is having a real image. In both the case, formula for magnification is equal to minus v by u, but in case of virtual image, magnification is always positive, and in case of real image, magnification is always minus 3. Now we will apply both conditions according to the magnification given. Suppose m is positive in first case, you can write plus 1 by 3 and write minus 1 by u, or you can get cross multiply minus v is equal to 3u, or v is equal to minus 3u. Now according to mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, or you can write 1 by minus 15 is equal to, instead of v we can write 1 by minus 3u plus 1 by u. You can take LCM 3u, you can write minus 1 here, and u, this is 3. It becomes 2 by 3u, but it is the value of minus 1 by 15. Now cross multiply it, so 3u is equal to minus 30, and u may be written as minus 30 by 3, it is minus 10. This is the first case. If the object is placed at 10 centimeter away from the mirror, you can have the magnification 3. Now come to the second condition. In second condition, if the magnification is minus 3, that means image is real. In that case also, minus 3 by 1 is equal to minus v by u, or you can write v is equal to 3u. Now according to mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, substituting the values according to the question. 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by, instead of v you can write 3u plus 1 by u. Taking LCM again, 3u, you can write 1 plus 3, that means 4 by 3u. Now cross multiply, 3u is equal to minus 60, and u is equal to minus 60 by 3, that means it is minus 20 centimeter. That means either you will place the object at 10 centimeter or 20 centimeter. In both the case, you will get the magnification 3. In second question, question number 5, describe the nature of image formed when the object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from the concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. In that case, u is equal to minus 20 centimeter according to the sign convention, and f is equal to minus 10 centimeter, and we have to calculate according to the mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, or you can transpose the formula 1 by v is equal to 1 by v 1 by f minus 1 by u. Now you can substitute the given values. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by minus 10 minus 1 by 20. Now you can open the bracket. 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. Taking LCM, you can take LCM 60, 10 6 and 20 3. You can write minus 3 by 60, or you can write 1 by 20, or v can be written as minus 20 centimeter, and in this case v comes out to be minus 20 centimeter. In that worksheet, some of the answers given for this numerical may be wrong. Don't confuse. You take your right step, your right methods, your right formulas and right conventions, but do not afraid of coming out of the wrong answers. No problem. Okay.